This is breaking news.
Angelina Jolie's lawyers denounce Brad Pitt's unreasonable NDA demands amid Winery battle. Report. Angelina Jolie and Brad Pitt have been in a legal fight for over 8 years now. Just when it seemed they were getting close to sorting things out, Pitt asked Jolie to collect all her old confidentiality agreements and give them to his legal team. He recently instructed his lawyers to contest ex-wife's allegations of abuse and the non-disclosure agreements she has proposed. However, a recent report by Page 6 has revealed that Angelina Jolie's legal team has responded, characterizing the actor's request to review her non-disclosure agreements with third parties as unreasonable and even abusive. The new report stated, Pitt apparently intends to argue that, over the past 2 decades, Jolie had or at least considered other NDAs with other people and entities, about other matters not in any way connected with Pitt's abuse. He says he wants to argue that since Jolie considered and or entered other NDAs over her lengthy career, his proposed NDA covering his spousal and child abuse couldn't possibly have been the reason the deal collapsed. In further discussion on the matter, the Salt actress legal representatives asserted that, to effectuate this plan, her ex-husband is now asking to review every contract she has ever considered or entered in the last 10 years to see if it contained any form of NDA, both non-disparagement and non-disclosure. The statement further highlighted that such a request would infringe upon the rights of the other parties involved, as they were not provided prior notice of this request. Forcing Jolie to spend the time and expense of gathering and producing all of this documentation is expensive, wasteful, and unreasonable, and the latest manifestation of Pitt's abusive conduct toward Jolie. The court should not allow it, the statement ended. Earlier, Jolie's lawyers said that the actor prevented her from selling her shares of their winery until she signed a non-disclosure agreement. Then, at the start of this month, the Fight Club actor's lawyers asked in court for Jolie to disclose how many agreements she made her staff sign to keep things confidential. Paul Murphy, a spokesperson for Jolie, told Page 6, for Pitt to equate common NDAs covering confidential information employees learn at work with him attempting to cover up his history of abuse is shameful. This case is not about NDAs in general, but is about power and privilege. All Angelina wanted was separation and health. He seems to always insist on a continuance of a fight. She deserves peace after all these years.